Ogadinalewa, Esame Jimmy, oh,
Atemo oke soka ime ogeko.
Aha, you don't shell again, oh, Edo and Nathan Combination Live Concert 2018. Chief Organizer, Omoege Egwasa, aka Obie Baba, guest artist from Benin, Bernard O, Stanley O, Ijanawa, Tanama Esewi, guest artist from Esalan, Emperor Wadada, Dr. Afile, Advasa Eromosale, Commissioner Kaladu. Hey, this one now, you want show, comedians of the day, MC Hope, MC Indama, MC Abino, MC Godsend, MC Golobra. My people, the date when this concert was shell, now on the 27th of December. 27th of December 2018. Venue CY Bar 57 Sakmamba Road, Benin City. Time for this one you want show. Now 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Mama Stop. The gate fee na cover. Gate fee regular 1,000 naira. VIP 3,000 naira. My country people, make una not just say una not here. Edo and Esan Combination Live Concert 2018. Make una not just say una not here. Chief Organizer Omoege Egwasa, aka Obie Baba. You too much. Make sure say you did that day.